Every single person who has ever joined a cult believed, at some point in their life, that they were too smart to fall for something like that. Doctors, lawyers, university professors, people with families, careers, critical thinking skills built over decades of education. It didn't matter, because cult recruitment was never designed to target gullible people. It was designed to target human psychology, and every human being has the same psychology. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how cults recruit normal, intelligent people, not through brainwashing in a single dramatic moment, but through a slow, deliberate process that exploits some of the most basic things that make us human. Welcome back to Dark Lens. This week, we're moving into something deeper: the psychology of organized, deliberate manipulation at scale. Not one manipulator working on one person, but entire systems built to recruit and hold people indefinitely. Stay until the end. The final stage is the one that explains why people stay even after they've started to notice something is wrong. Stage 1. Targeting people during vulnerable transitions. Cult recruiters don't approach people at random. They look for a specific window of vulnerability, a life transition, a recent move to a new city, a breakup, a death in the family, graduating and suddenly losing a built-in social structure. Any period where someone's normal support system has temporarily thinned out. This isn't cruelty for its own sake. It's strategic. During a transition, the basic human need for connection and belonging becomes temporarily louder than usual, and cults are, above all, extremely efficient at appearing to meet that need instantly. Recruiters are often trained to identify these moments specifically. Someone sitting alone in a new environment, someone who mentions a recent loss, someone who seems to be searching for direction. The lesson here isn't to never be vulnerable. It's to recognize that vulnerability is precisely when new, intensely friendly groups deserve the most scrutiny, not the least. Stage 2. Overwhelming warmth and instant belonging. The second stage is something researchers call love bombing, the same term used in toxic relationships because the mechanism is identical, just applied at group scale. A new recruit is met with an overwhelming, almost disorienting amount of warmth, constant compliments, eye contact, physical affection, being told, often within days, that they're special, that they were meant to find this group, that they belong here in a way they've never belonged anywhere else. For someone in a vulnerable period, this can feel like finally exhaling after holding your breath for months. What's actually happening underneath that warmth is the rapid formation of a powerful social bond, one that will later make it psychologically very difficult to leave. Because leaving won't just mean leaving an organization. It will mean losing the only place that ever made you feel that seen. Stage 3. Gradual introduction of ideology. This is where cult recruitment becomes genuinely sophisticated. The core beliefs are almost never presented all at once. Instead, ideology is introduced in small, easily digestible pieces, usually starting with ideas that sound reasonable, even appealing. Concepts about community, purpose, a shared mission to make the world better. Each new idea builds on the last, and because of something psychologists call the foot in the door effect, the same principle we covered in our very first video, agreeing to small beliefs early makes it progressively easier to accept larger, stranger ones later. By the time a recruit encounters the genuinely unusual core beliefs of the group, they've already said yes to dozens of smaller things. Rejecting the bigger belief now would mean admitting that everything they've already agreed to might have been wrong too. And that kind of admission is psychologically very costly. Stage 4. manufacturing an US versus them reality. The fourth stage is where the outside world starts to become the enemy. Recruits are gradually taught that people outside the group don't understand, can't understand, or are actively opposed to the group's mission. Family members who express concern get reframed as jealous or controlled by the same forces the group claims to be fighting against. This single shift accomplishes two things simultaneously. It isolates the recruit from outside perspectives that might challenge what's happening. The same isolation tactic we covered in detail last week, just operating at the scale of an entire belief system. And it transforms any criticism from outsiders into proof that the group is right, rather than a reason to question it. Once someone believes that anyone questioning the group is, by definition, either deceived or dangerous, the group has effectively inoculated itself against outside intervention. Stage 5. Replacing identity with the group itself. Through months or years of involvement, a person's sense of identity gradually becomes entangled with the group itself. Their friendships are inside it. Their daily structure is built around it. Often, their sense of personal meaning and purpose has been completely rewritten in the group's terms. At this point, leaving doesn't just mean leaving an organization. It means losing your entire social world, your daily structure, and confronting the deeply painful possibility that years of your life were built on something false. That combination, total social cost plus a devastating identity reckoning, is precisely why so many people stay even after they've noticed troubling things. It isn't naivety. It's that the exit cost has been engineered deliberately and gradually to feel unbearably high. 5 stages. Targeting vulnerability, overwhelming warmth, gradual ideology, us versus them thinking. And finally, the quiet replacement of someone's entire identity. Stage 5. Replacing identity with the group itself. Through months or years of involvement, a person's sense of identity gradually becomes entangled with the group itself. Their friendships are inside it. Their daily structure is built around it. Often, their sense of personal meaning and purpose has been completely rewritten in the group's terms. At this point, leaving doesn't just mean leaving an organization. It means losing your entire social world, your daily structure, and confronting the deeply painful possibility that years of your life were built on something false. That combination, total social cost plus a devastating identity reckoning, is precisely why so many people stay even after they've noticed troubling things. It isn't naivety. It's that the exit cost has been engineered deliberately and gradually to feel unbearably high. 5 stages. Targeting vulnerability, overwhelming warmth, gradual ideology, us versus them thinking. And finally, the quiet replacement of someone's entire identity.